Since ancient times, people have always found a way to be entertained. Entertainment is never in short supply. The trick is to pay less to do it and then use those savings to maybe pay down some debt or increase that savings account. Perfect example, eating out. You should never pay retail. There are websites you can find coupons, even totally free meals. There are others where you can buy a $25 gift certificate for $10, sometimes $2. Another idea, eat something at home and then split an entree when you go out. You're still eating out, you're just doing it for half price. Or get 100% off by hitting a happy hour, nursing a drink or two, and chowing down. Love live sports? Forget the pros, watch amateur. The hot dogs are cheaper, the parking is closer. And if you like theater, check out local high school or college productions. When it comes to books, always get them free at the library, along with DVDs, music, and magazines. You can also read some magazines in the local paper online. And here's an idea to keep yourself occupied: volunteer. Helping others doesn't cost a dime and pays big time for both you and your community. Or entertain yourself with something that pays you. Turn a hobby into a paycheck by harnessing sites like eBay. Bottom line, entertainment doesn't have to cost a lot. You just need to learn to substitute your imagination for your money. And now what you need is some more tips, and you can amuse yourself by going to MoneyTalksNews.com and doing a search for saving on entertainment. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.